Protein shake though.
I haven't tried anything yet, but I do want to buy some.
Freaking ladders. Oh my.
Oh yeah, dude. Yesterday's silo trip was one of the toughest videos that we've ever done.
Ladders. Hey, they got books in here, yo. Yeah, dude, there's a Bible in here. There's a Great Awakening, and there's another Bible right here. Holy crap.
There's a pretty big lizard.
Holy shit!
Whoa! It just ran! Bye, buddy.
This dude is inside the radio.
Oh my god! Put it down, Jake. Put it down. Put it
This is
down.
home now.
Oh.
He's inside the house.
This is probably his home.
This is his home, guys. Into the history of the old zoo nature trails. Without further ado, guys, let's get into it. In the 1920s, that was when the zoo was first created. The idea came to mind. But before that, Cisco, Texas had constructed this dam that we went to visit. And it's pretty huge, I'll be honest with you. Not only was a zoo there, but they had a swimming pool and a skating rink. Both the swimming pool and the zoo did really well. They lasted until the 80s. Only problem was that damn zoo. So much happened. Yeah, no, it didn't really take anybody too long to realize that the animals didn't like the environment that they were in. A deer had passed away due to the conditions. Not only that, there was a bear poisoning. And yeah, that crime still went unsolved to this day. No one knows much about the info on that. It was the 20s, however. The old zoo, Cisco Trails, is a place that I recommend everybody go check out. You can go look it up online and go visit it today if you want. There's going to be abandoned cabins, the abandoned cages of the zoo. They have an abandoned swimming pool. The only thing that isn't there is the abandoned skating rink. That building burned down in the 80s, however. This swimming pool was one of the largest swimming pools in all of America at the time, which is pretty impressive if you ask me. Without further ado, guys, I hope you enjoy this little vlog, and yeah.
That's good.
Honestly, that's fucking fire. Look at that view, guys.
Cheddars.
I don't know what happened with the maps where we drove on private land on accident. Up here is the old zoo nature trails for everybody. Ooh, Jose, my boy.
You already know.
Oh God, I'm gonna have to climb up this too.
Look! Tree.
No kidding.
See it. I'm still snacking.
I bet you can't scale that one right there.
Which one?
That one.
Come on.
Here?
Oh,
Did you leave Manny alone?
Manual. You gotta join us.
No, I say.
ooh. Let's check out the cedar real quick. So I think this is where they used to keep the animals. I wonder which ones exactly, but this is so sick. Not gonna lie. What's in here?
Whatever lived in there.
Oh my gosh.
In the zoo, you probably go in here to eat.
Yeah. This is so awesome, bro. Scaling rods. They're all the way up there. Fuck. Let's take a walk down this little staircase. This is cool. Oh, some rocks are so loose. Oh, man. Whoa, I almost fell in a hole. Now this, right here. Oh. Oh, this is beautiful. I want to try to go down here too, actually. You know what? Woo! I almost fell forward. Okay, let's get out. Alright. They're all teeing up over there, but it's all good. We'll check out the rest of this place. Ooh! Manny! Found a little private strip in the trails. But I wonder what these places are. This is like an old lodge, Manny. Yeah. Chimney right there. The roof caved in. Well, that does look like roofing right here. Oh, man. Well, we gotta find the others real quick. This was the old cabin. Fireplace right here. Pretty neat. Wow! Gotta make this quick because there are people staying here. So this is what one looks when it's intact.
This one's more intact than the.
Oh yeah, that's what I was just saying, bro.
This is a door, man. Here's the shower, here's the toilet.
Pick whatever car you want.
Here's the shower.
Bro.
Here's the toilet right here.
Oh man. I did see one more over there. Yeah. He is right. There is a whole trail back there. Oh, wow.
This is where we snipe.
This is a nice house right here.
Look. Each of us on one window, take them down.
You guys see this property right here? We were in New York. $2K a month. Easy. Jesus Christ. No, 4 actually. 4, believe it or not.
All it would take is 60-hour weeks, you know.
Man.
Overtime.
I stopped going to Starbucks. No more Uber Eats.
Sinks and everything. Oh my god, how many more places are here? Oh wow, they got a whole empty little dresser missing all the drawers, or I guess they're broken apart on top.
Huh?
Hey guys. I wonder what these are. What these are.
I think they're covers for some sort.
Make sure that's punchable.
So that house over there looks
Yeah.
completely like you can walk right in. Like that door is old, it's open, but there's a guy's car and RV back there. So I don't know.
Well, we can just like walk by. Something's in my shoe. Oh, they're over there. Wait. Fire pit? No way. What a beauty. Hey, Joseph. Holy crap. It's just overgrown.
Humping the whip. Can't even.
How many miles you got on it?
Can't even open it.
75. Dude. Hey, there's a dog right there.
Hey, friend.
I did not stick the landing. There's the stairs. Can y'all see that?
I can.
I see that, yeah.
Oh yeah.
If you use GTA logics, we'll just move this way. We'll be okay.
Looking for a certain someone, and who do we see? Scruffy as all hell, walking from the woods. How you doing?
Pretty good.
Spider Rock Trail, huh? Gotta be like an hour away.
An hour?
Yeah. Headed back home.
Okay.
Headed back to home.
Alright, well we're gonna cut this short, go to the lake, and then we're gonna be on our way to the hospital.
Yes, sir. Back to the Beach Army Hospital.
We're gonna come back here with Emily, do the whole zoo, explore the whole hiking.
Exactly. Who knows? Y'all might or might not see that.
Call of Duty map, dog.
It depends.
That's what I'm saying. Oh my god.
Oh, fuck.
No, for real.
This is a cool little spot I'm in right now.
You need to come up here. You see everything.
Manny, come on, you got this, bro. Whoop! Oh god!
He said whoop.
This is perfect. With my boy Jose right here.
You already know.
Gang! So beautiful, y'all. Leave a like if you think Manny should face his fears. Come up here with us.
Is he still down there?
We just met a fellow from DFW, our stomping grounds. But yeah, nah, ever since this opened up like a few months back, he's been here ever since. But there's an article that actually came out maybe like a month ago, or maybe even later than that. But that's actually how I found out about this place. And boom. Right now, we're headed to a pit stop on the way back home to Mineral Wells. Revisiting the Beach Army Hospital. Maybe check out some places we missed, actually. Alright, we're just gonna go check it out and we'll meet y'all there. Have you ever skipped stones, Jake? Oh, yeah. Self-doubt. Oh, that's so rocky.
Shit.
Dude, none of those are skipping rocks. You realize that, Jose?
No,